In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check recipient account number on Remitly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look inside your account to view the bank details you've already saved for a recipient so you can confirm everything is correct before sending money. Start by opening your browser and going to the Remitly homepage. Once you're there and in your account, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your name or profile avatar. That's your account menu. Click it to open the quick menu where your core settings live. This is the quickest way to reach the area that controls your personal information, payment methods, and the people you send money to. From that menu, choose Settings. The Settings page is your hub for managing details tied to your profile. It's where Remitly keeps recipient information organized, so heading here is the most direct path to find and verify account numbers you've previously added. Inside Settings, select Contacts. Remitly groups your saved recipients under Contacts, and this section is designed to help you review and maintain those details without starting a new transfer. Opening Contacts ensures you're looking at the authoritative information that Remitly will use the next time you send. In the Contacts area, choose Recipients to see the full list of people you've saved. You'll see each contact along with key identifying info, such as their name and destination country. Find the specific recipient whose account number you want to check. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the right person helps prevent mix-ups when multiple contacts have similar names. Once you've located the correct recipient, click Edit. This opens the detailed view for that contact. Here, you can review their bank information, including the account number associated with that recipient. Depending on local requirements and security practices, some parts of the number may appear masked on screen. If so, focus on the visible digits, such as the last few, and match them against what you expect. While you're here, scan the rest of the banking details, like bank name and, if shown, branch or account type, to make sure everything aligns with the information provided by your recipient. Avoid making unintended changes, and if you didn't modify anything, simply back out when you're done reviewing. That's the full process. Go to Remitly, open your account menu, head to Settings, enter Contacts, view your recipients, and open Edit on the right person to confirm the saved account number. Keep this routine handy for quick, confident checks before your next transfer.